Today I will show you my animal surprise egg candy. And here I have two eggs. This orange and this. The first is this. We have a hippo, a lion, a monkey, and a bird. Let's open it, have inside. Okay. Wow, the first we have a candy. Remember, it's all this candy. And so we have the toys. And yeah, the toys. I will open later. And this one. Oops. We have the yo-yo and the candy too. Okay, let's open one candy to eat. Okay, here the candy. It's really delicious. Okay, bye guys. Please subscribe and comment down below. Bye.